So let's tackle a really tough question. What do you do when a bully reappears?
Let's say you were bullied at work. It really took a toll on your confidence and mental health.
Then, out of the blue, years later, they contact you. They want to connect.
And here's the kicker. In that message, they don't mention what they did at all.
So what do? It's a huge choice, with a lot of conflicting feelings.
Right away, you've got this internal battle going on between two powerful instincts.
A part of you is just curious, right? You wonder if maybe you should hear them out.
But then, another part of you remembers the harm, the stress, the emotional cost.
So how do you sort through this? Well, there's a tool called the 6 Stages Framework. It helps by highlighting the core tensions, like your safety versus their potential for change.
Yeah, what's really interesting is this insight. Not every open door is actually a path to healing.
And on the flip side, closing a door doesn't automatically mean you're holding on to bitterness.
In fact, sometimes that boundary isn't hostile at all.
It's just wisdom.
And this all leads to the most empowering message for your own healing journal.
Your healing does not depend on giving access to people who have harmed you in the past. Which leaves us with a final question. Do you really owe them access just because time has passed?